Video number 3. Why you should definitely use YouTube for your business today. Every business and marketer needs to advertise their brand to attain goals and increase the purchasing potential of their customers. YouTube also plays an important role to help you stand out within the competitive environment. Integration of YouTube in your online marketing campaign will assist you in driving more potential customers towards your brand. Here are some reasons why YouTube is really important for your business. Amazing benefits. 1. YouTube is free. Most advertising campaigns cost lots of money, as well as time, but having YouTube in your online marketing strategy is completely free. It only takes time to create a video, but you can upload as many videos as you'd like without spending any money. To advertise with YouTube, you don't need to invest too much money in professional items, such as a camera or other things to create a video. You can use a handy cam and video editing tools which are accessible through YouTube. 2. Add 24/7 exposure. Other advertising methods can't defeat an innovative YouTube video to attract and hold a potential audience. With YouTube, you get remarkable exposure for your business because videos play the role of a virtual salesperson. All you need to do is create videos and upload them to YouTube. Now, it is available on the internet 24/7. Your audience can access you at any time, so there are more chances to get sales, reviews, and comments, which can increase your brand's visibility on YouTube. If you make a smart and proficient video and upload it into the appropriate category, there are more chances to get views with little effort. You don't need to pay attention to it after uploading it. 3. Grow your audience around the globe. YouTube is a global perception that attracts customers from around the world. You can access it anywhere on numerous devices, such as a desktop, laptop, or smartphone. YouTube advertising has the potential to be viewed by worldwide users, but you still need to ensure that your video is watched by your potential audience. If you don't focus on a prospective audience, you can't get the right users. Regularly creating and uploading videos unlocks the door to getting new viewers for your business. Adding closed captioning, a call to action, offers, and targeting users according to their needs can also boost the views of unique visitors. 4. Boost SEO rankings. A YouTube video generally contains a link to the brand's website in the description. If viewers look for information about your business and like to watch more of your videos, they will go through the link to view your website. These actions assist your website to be higher ranked in search engine result pages. Writing long video descriptions that have at least 200 words, motivating, subscribing, and linking at the end of the video, sharing YouTube videos in other online social media communities, forums, and blogs, organizing videos by category, and using video keywords to optimize your ranking improves your rankings in search engines. 5. Demonstrating your product. Demonstration is a great way to showcase products or services that your brand is selling. A YouTube video can be a great way to educate your customers by showing them your products with installation, FAQs, tips, and tricks videos. All these things make your customers aware of you in order to boost your brand reputation, sales, and revenue. Because after watching, audiences are more likely to buy. With YouTube videos, you can show the expertise that makes you unique from your competitors. For that, you can upload tutorials and expert videos related to your business. A video can give your audience a reason to buy from you. 6. Save bandwidth. YouTube allows you to link and embed your video on your website without maximizing your website's bandwidth, because YouTube videos are hosted on the YouTube video hosting servers, so viewers' download speeds will not be affected due to the video. YouTube also saves you website storage. If you only want to listen to audio or watch video, use YouTube and save your bandwidth, because it provides adaptive streaming, where individual streams are available for audio and video. Streaming videos also consumes more bandwidth, which can diminish the use of these types of video. Using VLC Media Player to watch, stream, and record can also save bandwidth for your website. 7. Enhance viral potential. YouTube video has viral potential. To take advantage of that, you can embed video on your website, blogs, forums, and other social media communities. People like to share what they like among their network. If viewers find your video interesting and grabs their attention, the chances of getting it shared are increased. To go viral and enhance exposure, you need to be creative with your video content. You can create buzz, share your achievements, be funny, or upload something valuable to get shared again and again. You also need to focus on your prospective audience to get the right audience to your business. This way, your business can get attention and high brand recognition. 8. Get high volumes of traffic. YouTube gives you a better chance to connect with millions of viewers and spread your business message among the prospective audience. Video's reach is more than other advertising methods. 4 billion videos are viewed daily and still growing rapidly. To get a high volume of traffic, you need to focus on the video title and description, add channel tags, have a look at comments, build different playlists for different types of videos, and mark your best videos as featured. Recent activities can also be a win-win situation for viewers and your business. Include a call to action to motivate viewers to share the video to increase traffic toward your YouTube video. 9. Increase effectiveness of social activities. Users are more likely to buy after watching a video, so YouTube is crucial to enhance the effectiveness of your business. Choose a regular uploading of video content and stick with it. Segment important videos and create playlists. Also, make sure you have a consistent look and tone for your videos to boost the effectiveness of your YouTube channel. Including transcripts of videos can assist in being found easily by search engines and users. You can also add a call to action and annotations at the end of the video to take your audience to the next level. High-quality thumbnails force users to watch your video content. 10. Stay relevant in prospects' minds. When it comes to video advertising, the first name which comes to mind is YouTube. Be informative and precise with your advertising videos. Don't try to sell with your videos. Keep your targeted audience in mind before creating video content. Communicate with your potential customers through video content regularly to build trust and awareness of your brand among users. It also boosts your credibility when you are on the top of your prospect's mind. Most users like to buy from users in whom they believe. Being on top can increase sales and revenue for your business. Shocking facts. YouTube is the second largest search engine and the third most visited website worldwide, behind only Google and Facebook respectively. Average time spent on YouTube per mobile session is 40 minutes. 9% of U.S. small businesses use YouTube. 72% of millennials use YouTube. 80% of YouTube's views are from outside the U.S. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. 60% of a creator's views come from outside their home country. 6 billion hours of video are watched every month. Every day, there is a 3 times increase in user subscriptions and a 4 times increase in channel following on YouTube. 4 billion videos are viewed worldwide in a day. YouTube has more than 1 billion unique visitors every month. The number of hours people are watching on YouTube each month is up 50% year over year. YouTube is localized in 75 countries and is available in 61 languages. Half of YouTube views are on mobile devices. Mobile revenue on YouTube is up over 100% year over year. YouTube has more than 1 million advertisers who are using Google ad platforms, the majority of which are small businesses. 75% of advertisers are using TrueView in-stream ads, and 75% of in-stream ads are now skippable. YouTube's mobile revenue is up 2 times year over year. The number of users coming to YouTube who start at the YouTube homepage, similar to the way you might turn on your TV, is up more than 3 times year over year. YouTube partner revenue is up 50% year over year, and we've seen this level of partner revenue growth for 3 straight years. The number of channels earning 6 figures per year on YouTube is up 50% year over year. The number of advertisers running video ads on YouTube is up more than 40% year over year, and the top 100 advertisers, the average spend per advertiser is up over 60% year over year. YouTube overall, and even YouTube on mobile alone, reaches more 18 to 34 and 18 to 49-year-olds than any cable network in the U.S. The number of hours people spend watching videos, aka watch time, on YouTube is up 60% year over year, the fastest growth we've seen in 2 years. The number of hours people spend watching videos on mobile is up 100% year over year.